Hello! Hello! We decided to do? What did we decide to do? Huh? Making some food. That's gonna be mixed veggies. The frozen kind, a little baggie of mixed veggies with baby spinach. We're making Lexi and Summer some food for the week. And I got some beans cooking. I'll show you right now. I got some beans cooking right here. So, hey Google, pause before they prohibit me from putting this video up because of Google. So I got the beans right there. So this week's gonna be beans with a mixture of that, some olive oil, some grass-fed butter, and this is the food that I made last week. So it's ground beef, rice, and mixed veggies. We're gonna give this a try. Going a little vegetarian on Summer and Lexi. So the difference between Summer and Lexi's food, it's gonna be that Lexi's gonna be done in the blender, smashed up in the blender, and Summer's is not. Right, Summer? They both eat plain, no salt food, so healthy fats in it for sure. I'll let you guys see the final product when I mix it. Right now we gotta wait until it cooks. Let's put some butter in there right now. So I wanted to show which mixed veggies I used. I got them from Sam's Club. Just mixed veggies. That's it. No big deal. And this is how the frozen food looks like when I take it down. That's for tomorrow. It's chicken. And this is how it looks, how I cube it. So I'll show you how I cube it. It's gonna be in these little containers right here. And then I wrap them up. And then that's it. And they freeze. And then after they freeze, I put them in one of these. No big deal. I'll check these things right now. See if they're done. They went on pretty smushy. Pretty smushy. They're almost done. And these two are ready to eat. Summer's food. I'm gonna put some beans in it so you can get used to eating beans. Some good fiber for you. And then you're gonna eat some beans. Oh, and then she's eating her, watching her favorite show. What is it? Everybody knows what it is already. Yep, Coco. She's obsessed. So I'll show. Alright. This is a chicken that I made her last week. I just defrosted it. So chicken breast. Just gonna throw it in there. And then I'm gonna get a little bit of this. I already put the beans in it. A little bit of that. And put it in here. Smash it all together. Let's see how that tastes. Hope she likes it. Just gonna put a little bit because it's gonna be for today. She probably won't even finish this. Smash it all together. And I'll show how it looks. Alright, that's how it looks. Doesn't look great because of the spinach. It became that color. Doesn't look great, but I hope she likes it. So let's see her reaction to this. And then we'll give this girl her food. Let's see. Let's see how it tastes myself. My reaction. Tastes really chicken. Actually tastes really good. The second spoon of drip in your mouth, it means that she wants. Yep, Success. Success! Woo, 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 woo. Woo! Give me 5. Lexi. Lexi, give me 5. Give me 5. We did it. Lexi, give me 5. So watching TV. My gosh. Give me 5. Give me 5. She wants to eat. Alright, so let me give her more food and then I'll feed this girl. See if she likes it. She loves this thing. Damn, I'm a baby chef. I'm a baby food chef. Baby food chef. Baby food chef, right? Right, Mama, you like it? Right, Mama? Yum, yum. I hope this girl likes it because she's special. So, update on Summer. Summer, you like it? Yum, yum. I love it, Mama. And she loves it. That's awesome. I'm happy about that. Now let's all blend this up. And this. That's it. I'm blending it up already. Now I gotta clean all this mess. But I only made for her, I underestimated that I was gonna make a whole week, but I'm gonna do 1 day, 2 days, and 3 days. That's for Summer. And she's still eating. She better eat everything because she likes picking. And then I'm gonna do this and put them in here. First, Lexi. Alright, this is how it looks. I'm gonna wrap it up with the wrap, put it in the freezer, and then it comes out very easily. And it looks disgusting, but it's actually pretty good. And then update to Summer Number. She needs meat. She left all the beans. Well, not all of them, most of them. I need to put some meat on this girl. Might have to put it on her too. I thought we were gonna go vegetarian, girls, but I guess not. You guys are meat eaters. Meat eaters. Both of you. Then we're going veggie style. What happened? You had chicken on yours. You had turkey, but not on the whole thing, so she picked on it. Goodness gracious. Alright, so I'll freeze this, and then tomorrow I'll take it off. If I remember, I'll show you guys. I'll take it off, and then I'll put it in this little baggies, and that's it. Done is done. Let's sign off, girl. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye, mamas. Ah! And sign off. Come on. Put your hand in there. Sign off. Shh.